Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fresh Out the Box. Today we are checking out the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7 Dragon Edition, a limited release that was made to honor the Year of the Dragon, which, just to clear things up, was actually last year. Yes, this is a 2024 edition, but the dragons do not expire, so let's have a look. First of all, the box and packaging. The box gives you that bold first impression, a deep lucky red with gold detailing, and of course a clear image of the headset's front and center. We can clearly see that it's the Year of the Dragon edition, not just by the limited edition sticker here on the left, but also by the clear indication of the golden dragon on the headsets. And visually, the Dragon edition keeps things pretty subtle. Very, very subtle, very minimalistic, very clear. We can also see some callouts on the features, such as wireless, low latency 2.4 gigahertz dongle that we're going to see, Bluetooth connectivity, and it's also compatible with PlayStation, PC, Switch, mobile, and also the Oculus. So without further ado, let's actually open these puppies up. Let's have a look. Of course, it's going to be a box inside of a box, but the second box has a scale theme. Amazing. All right, let's open this puppy up. First impression, these are gorgeous. These are really, really beautiful. The red does it. Not only the red, but also we are gifted with a scaled pattern headband, which feels very cool. I'm not going to lie, this is very beautiful. I can also see that these cups over here are detachable, these ear plates, and we also have extra ear plates over here. So let's quickly set these headphones aside and look at all the extras. Okay, there we go. Here we have got the original SteelSeries logo ear plates that we got with them. Let's put these puppies over here. Boom. What else do we have? Open this for glory. All right, don't mind if I do. We are given the information guide. What else? We have our auxiliary. Pretty neat. Very nice feel to them. We have USB to Type-C. This is going to be our charging cable. We have got USB to female Type-C. This is going to be for our dongle for the wireless connectivity. So you plug this puppy in over here. This goes into your device and it will connect to your SteelSeries headsets. Pretty neat. And I can see, instead of going all out with custom art or RGB, SteelSeries opted for a more limited edition look. If you're into minimalist design with a cultural nod to the Year of the Dragon, as you can see over here, you'll probably appreciate it a lot. I am appreciating this. This is very clean. Nothing is overdone, but it does add a little flair over the standard Nova 7s. So for specs, we are looking at cross-platform compatibility. It works with the PC, the PlayStation, Switch, mobile devices. It is dual wireless with 2.4 gigahertz dongle, plus Bluetooth, as well as a wired 3.5 millimeter auxiliary, as you saw over here. Battery life is about 38 hours on a full charge with fast charging. It has 40 millimeters custom tuned drivers. The microphone is retractable. Where is that thing? Where is it hiding? It is a retractable microphone and you can manipulate it to any way you want. Very cool. I like that so much. And with that, it is going to be the Clearcast Gen 2 microphone with AI-powered noise cancellation. Very clear, very discreet, and easy to tuck away. Comfort-wise, very lightweight, breathable ear cushions. This is what I was talking about. I love this. Breathable ear cushions. So not only is it breathable, but it also has that memory foam. Once again, I spoke about memory foam in the previous video. This is what I like seeing because it's very comfortable. It makes you feel like you're wearing nothing. And also the breathable ear cushions will help you during those long gaming sessions. Not only that, but even if you just take a walk, it's going to help you a lot. Top tier comfortability, and it is very forgiving. Pros and cons. Comfort is elite, lightweight, built with soft ear cushions and adjustable headbands. Yes, you've got 3 settings and it also adjusts over here. Once again, a very premium feeling. Not only that, here with the headband over here, it is metal, it's steel. Pretty cool, love it. Versatile connectivity, dual wireless connectivity with Bluetooth and your 2.4 gigahertz plus wired options. It plays nice with almost every device. Excellent microphone quality. Clearcast 2 Gen is crisp and reacts neatly when not in use. Subtle limited edition styling. Once again, retractable cups. Also followed by, I don't know if you noticed this, but fortune. Here we go. Chinese symbol for fortune over there, hidden away. Love it. And long battery life. For cons, I will have to say it is not radical. The design is not over the top. The Dragon Edition name might suggest a bold visual change, but it's mostly just new colorways and some graphics such as the dragons, and of course the headband over here, which is the scale themed, and then the dark red with the gold accents on the symbols over here and the characters, the Chinese characters. Other than that, nothing extra. No spec upgrades, same drivers, same performance. So if you already own the regular Nova 7s, there is no real performance reason to switch to these, unless you're just looking for something to add to your collection. Limited availability, being a special edition, stock is limited, and it could be harder to find or more expensive depending on your region. So I got these for about 1,000 RMB. These were not brand new. I struggled getting them brand new. Luckily, I found a very trustworthy site on which I could purchase them second hand. So with that, I mean these were 7-day returns where people bought them, they were not happy with them, so they sent them back within the 7 days of the return policy, which means these puppies were practically unused, which is a very good thing. As you guys saw, everything is still brand new. And then no RGB lighting. It might be a con for some, especially if you're building an aesthetic gaming setup. I mean, this is red. Many gaming setups are red. So here's the deal. This isn't a widely different headset from the standard Nova 7s. It's got the same internals, same audio quality, same comfort. What you're really paying for here is just the limited edition styling. And while it's not over the top, it's tastefully done. So if you're into clean, themed gear that doesn't scream for attention, but still stands out on your desktop, the Dragon Edition might be just for you. Just don't expect performance dragons to fly out of the ear cups. This is really one for fans of SteelSeries. I love them. The reason why I purchased them, I had a look at them for quite some time now. The Dragon Edition just appealed to me a lot more than the regular ones, such as the white or the black or the green-black ones. They also had the League of Legends themed and the Diablo themed. The Diablo themed I was unable to find, and when I was able to find one, it was very expensive. I think that might be the most popular one, that and the League of Legends one. I could find the League of Legends one, but I just wasn't interested in that one. This appealed to me a lot more. Alright, that's a wrap on the Arctis Nova 7 Dragon Edition. If you liked this one, drop a like, subscribe, and please let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see next. And that's that. Have a beautiful day, and I'll catch you next time on Fresh Out the Box. Cheers.